We're outside because the rain has stopped, but I'm not sure it's going to stop for very long. So we're going to quickly do another experiment outside using a bottle of cola and some Mentos. I wonder what's going to happen. Now, I predict it's going to be a little bit messy, so I'm going to invite my friend Mr. Kit over to talk us through the experiment. Hi, Mr. Kit.
Hi, Miss Gilbert. Well, hi there, receptions. You might remember me. I'm Mr. Kit. Now, what we're going to do today is I'm going to put a Mentos into a thing of cola and see what happens.
Crazy.
Yes, I'll explain why once we've given it a go.
Okay, I'm going to step out of the way because I think it's going to be messy.
Okay, so now I'm going to put the Mentos, which I've stuck together like this, into the cola. Let's see what happens down here. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Now that was amazing. It went everywhere. Did you see how high it went? It went everywhere. Let's have a look in slow motion to see what it looked like. So I'm going to do our experiment again this time with a different sort of cola. The one I did before didn't have any sugar in it, but this one here does. So let's see the difference. Now I've got the Mentos here, which I've stuck together with blue tack, and the cola I've put in some hot water. You'll need your mum or dad to help you with that. Put it in some hot water for about half an hour to heat it all up. Okay, let's give this a go. Wow, that was crazy. That was really awesome. Did you see how much it exploded? That was so cool. Seeing as it's getting so cold and wet now, I think it's about time to say goodbye for this episode of Miss Gilbert's Lockdown Learning. See you next time. I'm going to put it in.